People have different views on the idea of who is a natural leader and who is someone that just leads. Wouldn't it be great if there were a systematic way or an exam of some sort that would do the work in determining who really would make the best leader? Unfortunately, the idea of a well-performing and natural leader contains many different ideas and theories, which complicate the picture sufficiently that it is not easy to design such a systematic leader prediction test. It should be clear that a leader needs skills, but also that the leader should act or behave in a certain way. In addition, the situation also plays a role. This forms the foundation of our understanding that skill, behavior, and the situation is all part of what it is that determines good leadership. However, there are a few more advanced and less known ideas. These I will explore in this lecture. First, good performance can be attributed to a leader's traits. Second, good performance can be attributed to a leader's needs. Third, leaders can have task or person orientation, which allows for different levels of performance. These three ideas offer insight into the relationship between personal characteristics and leader performance. So let's talk about traits. I will touch briefly on the topic of trait theory as it relates to leader performance. First of all, there are many different personality types. A person can possess many different personality traits. Some people possess a certain set of traits which are aligned with good leadership, whereas others possess a set of traits which are not wanted in leaders. This leads us to the idea that a leader's performance is based upon possessing certain traits. For example, a good leader may be said to be intelligent, independent, and friendly. A bad leader may be said to be afraid, agitated, and shy. The trait theory of leader performance says that certain traits are necessary to possess so as to have success as a leader. However, possessing these traits does not automatically mean that someone will be a good leader. For example, two people may both possess the same good leadership traits. However, one person may succeed and the other person may fail. It may have been the case that one person was luckier. Perhaps they were in a particular place at a particular time that allowed for an opportunity that another did not get. And now I'm going to talk about the needs. The type of needs a person has an impact on their leadership performance. A person who wants to achieve is more focused on the attainment of results than with how others see them. This leads to effective leadership because prioritizing the objective over being liked allows the leader for an easier time in the decision-making process. Imagine a leader needs to ask the employees to work faster and harder, but wants to be liked at the same time. This is a contradiction. Then there are those who want power. It turns out that there is a relation between high-performance manager and the need for power. The power that these type of managers seek is organizational power, not personal power. And lastly, we're going to discuss the effects of task versus person orientation. Different managers have different orientations, which yield different outcomes and different levels of performance. According to one theory, the manager's orientation can be on the task or on the person. Managers that are task-oriented structure their own actions and the actions of others. On the plus side, they know how to give directions, set goals, and make decisions. The task-oriented manager's employees end up being productive. However, these type of managers do not consult the workers, which can sometimes reduce worker satisfaction. A manager that is person-oriented likes to engage in dialogue with workers by asking questions and offers workers praise for their achievements. The employees end up being satisfied with this type of leader. However, the best manager is not one that is either task-oriented or person-oriented, but one that is both. This is because the manager needs both productive and satisfied employees to be effective.